Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name is Christina. So today I'm going to be doing my March Fairyloot unboxing. Sorry if my voice sounds a little groggy today. I don't know. I don't know what's going on with my allergies, but I sound like I need to drink something. It sounds very scratchy. No matter what I try to do, and talking louder makes me exhausted. So apologize in advance that I sound the way I sound today. Also, another apologies to what is behind me. It's very messy in this room right now. My in-laws are in town. We let them sleep in our room, so the bed hadn't gotten made yet from this morning. And then on top of that, my husband's leaving for New York tomorrow, so I haven't had time to do the laundry. So that's why, there's a basket of clothes behind me. So that's why it looks pretty chaotic in here, because we have company, and also because my husband is currently packing for his travels for tomorrow. But anyways, with all that rambling out the way, we're gonna go ahead and jump into the Fairyloot box, which I just got it today in the mail. This is the March box. And I do know that there's an item in here that's missing. I guess it got to the facility too late for them to pack it up. So it'll be in April's box. And I think it was like a deck of cards, which I'm looking kind of sad because I would love to see what they are, but it makes me excited that I'll get to see it next month. So per usual, I forgot what the theme is for this month. Threads of Fate, and this is what the spoiler card looks like. Super cute, very colorful, very colorful. Love that. And it's also the spoiler card, so I won't look at that till the end whenever I need to share with you guys where each item came from. Opening her up, I'm gonna pull this first thing out, which is a Circe's wooden bookmark designed by Advendalart. I don't know. This is what it looks like, or not what it looks like, but that's what the artist's name. Ooh, this is a bookmark right here. That's really pretty, actually. I've not read Circe's. I don't think I will, to be honest, but that's really pretty, and it's a wooden bookmark. That's stunning. She's hot and fierce, I'm not gonna lie. I love getting bookmarks, I really do. This next item is already popping out of the case. I'm guessing it's like a tea thing where you can put your tea in. So it has the little lid. It says, "Don't chase fate, let fate chase you." I feel like that's from, what is it, Once Upon a Broken Heart, but I could be, I'm pretty sure I'm way off just by the designs that are on it. Maybe it's from Six Crimson Cranes, it's giving me that vibe as well. That's what it looks like. It's really pretty. I like the color. I like this. I think I'm gonna place this on my bookshelf as a little trinket, whatever, because it's really cute. I like that a lot. It's very colorful. This next item we have here is a what is this? This is a pillowcase. It says, "Only one thing is more powerful than a wish, and that is a purpose," by Jordan Ifugo. I'm definitely not saying that wrong. This is what it looks like. This is pretty. It's very colorful. I like this. Maybe when I go to Walmart today, I'll get a pillow for this and put it on my book chair. This is really pretty. I don't know what this is inspired by, because the little tag that normally comes on it is not on it. It's ripped off. This is pretty though, and the quality's not the soft material. This is definitely a decorative throw pillow material, one that's meant for decoration and not really for laying on, just by how the material feels. I would not want to lay on a pillow with this type of material. I feel like it would make me sweat. But nonetheless, this is really cute, so I can't wait to figure out what fandom this is from. Really pretty. And then, like I said, I was supposed to get like the deck of cards, but they didn't send that because you know. What do we have here? We have, ooh, the Raven Boys stickers. Ooh, I might put this on my reading the cart, library cart, whatever. That's cute though. I love that. I've only read the Raven Boys, just the first book. And I think this is a Fairyloot exclusive because it says produced for Fairyloot. This is this month's tarot cards, and they're beautiful. The Fool, the Magician. Ooh, this is the Fool. She's gorgeous. I'm loving all the colors in this one, in this box. The colors are so vibrant and they're definitely giving me spring vibes. Oh, real. That's pretty. And this is what the backs look like. Stunning. I love that. That is gorgeous. This is the author letter and the art card for this month. Very pretty. Like, everything is so colorful in this box. I am literally obsessed. Literally obsessed. And then the fairy scoop next month will be Bittersweet. And we'll talk about the fandom of what will be expected in next month's box. But anyways, we'll look at that here in a minute. Pulling out the book. Ooh, this is colorful. What is it? Ooh. The Girl Who Fell Beneath the Sea by Axie O. Ooh, that's pretty. Very colorful. Now I know why everything was so colorful this month. This is a very pretty cover, and it has like that velvety feel to it. And then we have some sprayed edges with stenciled with a stenciled dragon, which, you know, I love the colors. The colors are really pretty. We have some embossing on the front. That's beautiful. We have some art in the front of the book, or the end pages. Again, stunning. Here's the other side. And then, of course, the author letter. Not the author letter, the author's signature. This is a pretty edition, not gonna lie. It says, deadly storms and ancient curse. Will her sacrifice save them all? That sounds intense. It says, for generations, deadly storms have ravaged Mina's homeland. Her people believe the sea gods, once their protector, now curses them with death and despair. To appease him, each year a maiden is thrown into the sea in the hopes that one day the true bride will be chosen and end the suffering. Wow, that's crazy. Many believe Xiong, Mina's brother, beloved to be the legendary true bride, but on the night Xiong is to be sacrificed, Mina's brother follows her, knowing that to interfere is a death sentence. To save her brother, Mina throws herself into the water in Xiong's stead. Swept away to the spirit realm, a magical city of lesser gods and mythical beasts, Mina finds the sea god, trapped in an enchanted sleep. With the help of a mysterious young man and a motley crew of demon gods and spirit, Mina sets out to wake him and bring an end to the storm once and for all. But she doesn't have much time. A human cannot live long in the land of the spirits, and there are those who would do anything to keep the sea god from waking. Wow, that sounds really good, actually. You know, there's like some type of like texture on the what is this, like the inside of the dust jacket. It's like, I don't know how to explain it. Like, I don't know if you guys can really tell. Like, there's like this shininess right here. It's like some type of texture. It's almost, it reminds me of like the scales from the dragon. That's what it's giving me, like dragon scales. But anyways, that sounds really, really good. Like, I'm not gonna lie, that sounds really good. I think I want to pick this up soon because that really got me. That got my attention. Fairy Scoop. So it's pretty much, you know, the interview with the author. It tells us what this edition had, what we got with this edition. So love that. And then exciting April releases, which I always love to see new releases coming out. Next month is Bittersweet. You can expect items inspired by The Night Circus, Strange the Dreamer, Addie LaRue. I'm excited for that. And there will also be a fandom neutral item. We are thrilled to reveal this book will have 2 books. We are also thrilled to reveal this box will have 2 books and an item we have never featured before. The second book in the box is a paper edition of a Romeo and Juliet retelling with an exclusive cover, sprayed edges, and a digital signature. Ooh, that's really exciting. And that's it for that Fairy Scoop. I think I just spoiled myself for next month's book. I didn't realize they did that. I'm sad, so whatever. Don't talk to me. Okay, the Cersei Woodmark was created by Advindale Art. Raven Cycle sticker, she is by Viva. Ray Bear cushion cover, also by Ray Bear. That's the fandom for the pillowcase. That was designed by @blanca.design. Threads of Fate T10 is designed by Chatty Nora. So I'm guessing this is inspired by this month's book, which is cool. The cards were also, I'm guessing, is inspired by this month's book, which we didn't get that, but it was created by Nevu. I believe I'm saying that correctly. The tarot cards for the month are inspired by Daughter of the Moon Goddess, and they were created by @Ars28. Oh, sorry. Actually, the cards that we didn't get, the deck of cards, were actually inspired by 6 Crimson Cranes. So the only thing that was inspired by the book this month was the 10. So still love that. I'm so excited to see how that looks. I bet you it's going to be so stunning just by like how vibrant the colors were in this box. I bet you the colors on that deck of cards are going to be absolutely gorgeous. But yeah, that's it for this book unboxing. Thank you guys so much for watching, and hopefully you enjoyed it. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye.